Hey guys, so this is Josh again of Basic Value, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch or how to change backdrops in your Scratch project. So basically, there are a lot of ways to do this. The first one is we're going to be adding a new backdrop. Let's say, for example, I choose this Castle 1 backdrop. All right, so I already have two backdrops, right? So we can try to change the backdrop in here. Say for example, we just simply need to use this one. So when green flag is clicked, switch to backdrop castle 1, and then when it's here, just pick blue sky. So what's gonna happen is if I click the green flag, this is what's gonna happen. So if we stop it and if we pause it, it should let me just fix the code. So it should be in here. Uh let me just separate this one. So it should change the backdrop. I don't know what's happening right now. It's just like there's something wrong with my code. But anyway, let's just switch the backdrop in here. Let's try to do this live. Let's see. I wanna see if it really changes. So as you can see, it changes. It just looks like it's glitching, but this is basically one of the ways to change your backdrop. And for the easier one, you can just simply go to the costumes, delete the first backdrop, and then just change it with a new backdrop. So that's how you do a change or a switch in your backdrops in your Scratch project. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe. This is your buddy Josh of Basic Value, and I'm going to be seeing you on the next video. Peace out.